Hello, good morning to you all. In the previous video, I have shown you how to use GIF in the comments of Instagram. If you don't know how to use that GIF, you can watch the video. I'll place the link in the description. And in this video, we'll see how to keep GIF or animated images as your Instagram story. For example, I'll show you. I kept a few of the See, this is the one of the GIF animated, and this is the GIF animated, and for this there is no need of third party app to install. Everything is available on Instagram only. So to do that, first of all, you need to click on this plus symbol to post a Instagram story. So I'm just clicking on this plus symbol and shift to story. This is the story. Instead of taking a picture, you need to click on create. See here the list will be there. You need to click on create. Once you click on create, just see here, this is the GIF. So you need to click on GIF here. The third option, AA, in the sense you can write something. uh, this is the GIF, and here you can search the GIF. For example, I'm searching as party. See here, you can choose among one of the GIFs and click on this, and it gets already in the background. So at top at top right, you'll see an option called next. Here you need to tap on that next, and here you need to click on this forward symbol to post it to your story, and click on share. Done. This is, if you don't have GIF at this option, no need to worry. You can click on the sticker option at top, and from here you can find GIF here, or if at all if you don't find GIF here, you can search GIF here, and from here you can get the GIF option, and from here you can search your favorite GIF image and add it to your story. And I'll show you with the other option. I'll show you, continue with this. This is how simple you can post an Instagram story with your favorite GIF image. See here, I'll just check the output what we have just posted. It is taking a bit of time. Meanwhile, if you like this tutorial, please do hit a like for this video and share it to your friends so that it may be useful to all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.